If you have an ADHD home and you're wondering what hacks will help you keep more organized, these are the ones you need to know. Now, the first one is going to be a clear bin, and it's just like this, a big bin that you can put stuff in and see inside. Out of sight, out of mind is not a problem anymore because you can see what's inside this bin without having to go and open it and look around through it. You know, even if you forgot what you might have put in a bin, you can still see inside it, and then you'll remember, okay, that is what is in that bin. I don't need to actually go to that one. And the other thing about this is you can not only have clear bins like this, you can also have clear containers, which are smaller, and you can use those anywhere in your home as well. It just makes finding things a lot easier. Now, something else you're gonna need is a rolling cart, and rolling carts are good because you can move them left, right, spin it around if you want to, and then they move from one side of the room to another side of the room. Or if you need this cart in another room in general, then you can move it to that room really easy. Now, what you want to do, and I'm going to explain this little thing in a minute, but what you want to do is you want to take whatever you need to prep and put it on the rolling cart. You can prep like toiletries, cleaning stuff. Maybe you have stuff you need to study and make sure you have it all prepped for the next day. Put that on here. Have guests over, you can put snacks on here, or they can move this around really easily and get to all the snacks. It's really versatile, which is great. Now, this one has 3 tiers on it, so you could put everything on those 3 different tiers. They have one that has 4 tiers and 5 tiers. You can get them in different colors if you need that as well too. It's just one of the most versatile things that you can do. And the cool thing about it is with ADHD, sometimes it's harder to remember what you need during the day. If you just prep it on here and put it on here, then you won't forget those things. And the cool thing about this is too, you can leave it prepped if you want to. If you know you need it for a certain activity all the time, then you can do that as well. It's gonna help make sure that you have what you need, where you need it all the time. And now I said that I was gonna tell you what's in here, and this is a basket, and I use this for my landing pad in my home. And what a landing pad is, it's a place that you put your keys, your phone, your wallet when you come in your home, so you know where they are. And this is the one, you can see what I have in mind right there: keys, markers, pens, whatever else I need that's in there. And then what I do is I put it by the door, put it right here in a place where I know I can find it, and that's where I put all that stuff when I come into the door. Now, the thing about it is, you want something that's easy to see, and you need to figure out where you want to put yours. Generally put it in a place to where you pass by it all the time, and then you know exactly where this thing is. Now, another thing is, this is a basket. You can get baskets in different sizes and shapes and everything. And the cool thing about a basket is that easy to see what's inside, easy to put whatever you want to inside and take out whatever you want to. They come in different sizes and shapes, and you can use a basket anywhere in your home. Anything you put in the basket just looks more organized, as opposed to if it's just loose around your home, on a desk, on a dresser, whatever it is. This just makes it look more organized. And if you are enjoying the content, then subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Here's something else you absolutely need to make sure you have some time awareness. This is a visual timer. And on this timer, the color represents how much time you have left. This is a 60-minute timer. So you see the color's full, 60 minutes left. Now, as the time goes down, the color is going to disappear, and that's going to indicate how much time you have left and how much time has passed. Even if you can't read the numbers, just looking at the color, you know in an estimate how much time may have passed and how much time you definitely have left. This is great because one, it's really small. You can put it just anywhere. You put it back here, you know, on here where I have it on this counter, you can still basically see it. Now, the thing about it is, this is small too, so you can put it in any room that you want to put it in. And this just going to be a thing that will help you really keep track of the time that's passed, and that's going to help a lot with time awareness. And every ADHD home needs labels. You need to label things. These are the regular kind of labels you get, straight adhesive ones and everything, small. These are chalkboard labels. They're black. You get a chalkboard pen. You can write them on here. The cool thing about this is the contrast of black and white makes it really easy to see, and the labels are a little bit bigger. But you need to have labels in your home because of the fact that you don't really want to have to go into a room and try to remember where something is, or remember what is on a shelf or anything like that. You want to be able to just go in that room, look at the label, makes it really easy to make sure that you don't forget where something is, or even if you did forget where something is, it's easy to find because you have a label on it. Now, something else you need to do is actually make sure you have a trash can in every room of your home. You can get a small one like this, you can get a larger one, doesn't matter. Just have it somewhere in every room. That way, when you need to throw trash away, you don't have to go to another room to throw your trash away. This helps to make sure your trash does not end up on the floor or on a desk somewhere. It makes sure that that trash actually gets into a trash can and it's easy to do. Now this one is clear so you can see inside it, but you can get any type of trash can that you want. Now this is not the only video. I have another video that goes over how to make sure your home is ADHD friendly and also how to make sure your room is also ADHD friendly. And I'm gonna put that video up on the screen, and all you do is click that video and watch that video.